Although I'm a gynecologist, my story is actually not about one of my patients. This time, it's about me. For years, I had to tell patients with uterine fibroids that they had to go through surgery and, in many cases, remove their entire uterus. Seeing all those sad faces still didn't prepare me for the day I would hear it myself. I must admit it's different. As a woman, not just a doctor, you suddenly share that sense of sorrow at the prospect of losing a part of your femininity. Luckily, I heard about Insightech's non-invasive MR-guided focused ultrasound treatment. I had the procedure done at the Harbin No. 1 hospital, and while still on the bed, I made an oath that if it works, I would tell my story, to pay it forward. Because now I'm over it with my womb intact and no more debilitating pain, I am determined to recommend it to every single suitable uterine fibroids patient. Now, it's your turn. Pay it forward. My name is Leigh Ann, and I don't suffer from uterine fibroids anymore.